Hello guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to Real Trade official channel YouTube. I recommend you watch this video 100 of times and practice focus on this video. Write your opinion about this video. Look at the picture. This blue line, this pattern is a powerful strategy created on conversation line. This pattern is buy pattern. Look at the video. Tick conversation line. Conversation line is blue line. Zoom on the chart. Look at the chart. This area. Height candle. This pattern. This pattern is buy pattern. Buy is down the cloud. Look at the cloud. This pattern is down the cloud. Open position after candle. After candle carried position. Open position. The TP is their next resistance. Next resistance is a great profit. Profit this area. Next resistance. This area is a stop loss. End of the candles. A stop loss. Continue, play, continue. This candle open position, continue. TP, profit. This candle, profit. Please do it, practice a lot. This position great. Next position, zoom on the chart. Height candle. This pattern on the conversation line. Height candle. This pattern. This pattern is a strategy created on conversation line. Next candle is open position. This area open position. This area is great. End of the candles is stop loss. This area is a stop loss. This stop loss is great. The profit is the next resistance. Continue. Look at the chart. Please zoom on the chart. Focus on next resistance. Next resistance is area. This area is profit. Next resistance is profit. Pattern buy is a down cloud. Ichimoku indicator. Okay, continue. Open position. This candle open position. Open position. Continue. Continue. Zoom on the chart. Look at the candle. Please continue. Continue. Continue is a great position. This candle profit. Okay. Okay, and profit. Take a profit. Great position. Great position. Great position. Look at the chart. Okay. It's great. Thank you. Continue. Next pattern. Sell trend. Hide candle. Hide candle. This pattern on the conversation line. And is a down cloud. This area go by. Create pattern on conversation line. And pattern buy is a down cloud. Okay. Okay. This area is a open position. Open position, this area. Open, go to buy. This area is stop loss. End of the candles is a stop loss. Yes, the best stop loss. And next stop, next resistance is a best profit. This area. Look at the mouse, look at the zoom. Look at the chart. This area is profit. Great profit. Yes. Continue. Continue. Yes. Focus on the chart. This area go buy. Go profit. Yes, this candle open. Open position. Continue. Continue. Yes, continue. Look at the chart. Focus on charts. Continue, continue. Yes, this candle profit. Take a profit. The best strategy. Great position. Please watch this video hundreds of times and practice. Yes, the best position, great position. Continue, continue. A height candle. This pattern on conversation line is a buy position. Yes, carry it on conversation line. Continue. Next candle is a best open position. Yes, this area open position. I think this point. Yes. End of the candle is a stop loss. Yes, this area. Look at the chart. This area stop loss. This area is a stop loss. Yes. Continue. Go buy. Go buy, go profit. The next resistance is a best profit. This area. I think this area is a best point. Yes. This area. This area is profit. Point profit. Yes. Profit, this area. And continue. Focus on the chart. Please focus on the chart. Yes. Continue. This candle open position. Open position. Continue. Continue. Yes, great position. Good. Great position. Continue. Continue. This candle profit. Take a profit. The best position. Best position. It's very great. Profit. Yes, very great. Yes. Yes. This position, great. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and share. I recommend you watch this video hundreds of times and practice. Please write your opinion about this video. Thank you so much.